Alright guys, today we're heading up to Eagle Rock, Virginia. We're going to be picking up a Stealthcraft drift boat from Brent Perky. Brent's leaving for Alaska here in just a couple days, and he's kind enough to loan the Stealthcrafts to us for the summer. So we'll be doing smallmouth and musky trips out of it all summer long, and yeah, should be a good time. Alright guys, we made it up to Eagle Rock, picked up the drift boat, got to see Perky's little homestead, which is pretty cool, and check it out. What a boat, man. I've been out on it with Brent before and absolutely enjoyed it. I'm going to be running trips out of the drift boat, and it fits 2 clients plus myself. And it's very stable boat, lots of room. It's got almost more room than you would get in like a 16 to 18 foot jet boat. It's got a ton of room. It's got storage under all the seats, storage up here, this platform you can stand on. It's got rod holders on this side, space for a nice big cooler. More storage under the back. It's got a nice big anchor, and yet more storage here with this big platform to stand on. This seat comes off. You can stand up here. Come out a trolling motor here. I mean, it's a hell of a boat. It's a Stealthcraft drift boat. It's made out of some kind of composite. It's just a pretty sturdy boat. Now I can cater to, older people and just generally anyone that doesn't want to fish for musky out of a kayak. That's kind of a niche in the musky fishing world, is the kayak fishing. It's for those adventurous guys that want to, try to catch them in the absolute hardest way possible. But this makes it a lot easier. You can fish out of this all day without getting tired, and just a real comfortable boat to guide out of as well. So big thanks. I'll be pulling this home today, and be meeting up with Daniel Patterson soon as well. He's going to be running raft trips for me this year. There we go. It's back home. We're ready to do some trips. I gotta clean it up a little bit, get some matting on the floor so it's a little softer on the feet. But other than that, it's ready to go. It's gonna be a fun summer taking people out on that. Ashton, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you so happy I'm home? Are you so happy I'm home? Biscuits. Alright guys, we got brand new stock of Oil Tea Customs. Bunch of suckers. Silver lace, Got some gliders. Got a Williams new glide baits. More of those. They sold out immediately last time I had them in. So that's a custom pattern I had him do for us. Bunch of new baits. Check them out. They'll be on the website. Get them now before they're gone. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share it with your friends.
Click here to subscribe if you have not, and check out these videos below.
Good job, baby. I'll catch y'all in the next one.